Have you ever had a problem with tightening a screw because you don't have the space to fit your arm? Sometimes it can be difficult to fit your arm in those little nooks and crannies. Sometimes your arm can get really sore from tightening a screw that way.
Oh, now my elbow hurts. How will I ever pay my bills if my arm is in pain?
Don't you fret, Abby, because we have a product for you. It's the Gizmatic product number 43537, the magic screwdriver. Patent pending, copyright protected by Gizmatic Incorporated.
Oh my, how exciting!
Yes, ma'am. The magic screwdriver is the latest offer from Gizmatic's Life Improvement Division. You don't ever have to worry about hurting your elbow again screwing in screws. The first step is you attach the Phillips head screwdriver attachment to the multi-purpose mounting piece on the front end of the magic screwdriver.
Like this?
Yeah, just like that. Next, place the tip of the magic screwdriver's Phillips head screwdriver attachment into the head of the screw like you would a normal screwdriver. Then, press the on button on the magic screwdriver. This will activate the multi-purpose mounting piece on the screwdriver that will begin spinning rapidly. Now watch as the magic screwdriver's Phillips head screwdriver attachment twists those screws in quickly and easily, and you don't have to hold your arm in an awkward or painful way.
Wow, Dylan, that's amazing. But did you know that there's more purposes for your magic screwdriver than just turning screws?
I had no idea.
Well, it's true. See, other than the Phillips head attachment, we also have many other attachments that can stick to the multi-purpose mounting piece.
Wow! Well, like what?
Well, like our feather duster attachment, made of genuine quail and ostrich feathers.
Genuine quail ostrich feathers are made out of genuine polyester fabric.
Just attach the feather duster attachment to the front of the magic screwdriver and find a filthy place that needs a good clean, like behind your toaster or under a piano. Just stick the feather duster in that area and, most importantly, turn the button on. The multi-purpose mounting piece should begin spinning rapidly. Rapidly. Watch as that dirt and grime disappears.
Wow, that's amazing. Abby, I wonder what other standard attachments come with the magic screwdriver.
Well, one of my favorites is for cooking.
For cooking?
For cooking. Just, have you ever found it difficult to beat eggs to make an omelet?
How did you know? My arm gets so tired from the beating and the mixing, and I can never get my omelet to come out correctly in the light and fluffy texture that I want.
Well, now you can! With patent-pending blenderific technology, we have the magic screwdriver whisk attachment. Just attach the whisk attachment to the front of your multi-purpose mounting piece, like so. And place the wicks in some eggs that you would like to beat. Press the timer on and watch as the multi-purpose mounting piece spins rapidly. In seconds, you have eggs beaten to perfection and ready for an omelet.
That sounds delicious.
I wish I had something to use to clean my bowl when I'm done cooking.
Don't fear, Abby. The magic screwdriver has you covered with the scrubble attachment.
Did you say scrubble, Dylan? What is that?
The name is a combination of scrub and bubble. The magic screwdriver scrubble attachment comes preloaded with highly advanced Gizmeric brand dishwashing liquid.
Gizmeric brand dishwashing liquid may cause allergic reactions in small children and animals.
The dishwashing liquid is great for getting those stains and marks out of your kitchenware. First, wash your pots and pans with water. Then, connect the magic screwdriver scrubble attachment to the multi-purpose mounting piece on the front end of your magic screwdriver. After you hit the on switch on the magic screwdriver, the multi-purpose mounting piece should begin spinning rapidly.
I'm guessing this is where the scrubble comes in.
You guessed right. The spinning of the multi-purpose mounting piece will cause the Gizmeric brand dishwashing liquid to be released all over the pots and pans, effectively removing the marks and stains.
And how? But Dylan, a piece of machinery like this must cost a fortune, and I have such a tight budget with today's economy. How could I possibly afford something that is valued between $60 and $99 US dollars?
You worry too much, Abby. The magic screwdriver is available for only $19.95 if you call the number on your screen now.
But does that include the attachments for the multi-purpose mounting piece?
Not only does this offer include the magic screwdriver, the Phillips head screwdriver attachment, the Swiffer attachment, or dusting attachment, the mixing attachment, and the scrubble. But it also get a bonus attachment if you call right now. All for only $19.95.
A bonus attachment for the Gizmeric Industries item number 43537 magic screwdriver? I'm all ears.
Have you ever tried hosting a party and it turned out to be a dud? Nobody's having any fun. The food is bad, and the fluorescent lighting is too bright and boring.
Oh boy, Dylan, have I ever. That sounds like every party I've ever been to. Not to mention the ones I've hosted.
With the bonus attachment for the magic screwdriver, you'll never have that problem again.
What is it? I can't contain my excitement.
It's the brand new disco ball attachment with new and improved disco ball-like apparatus.
Disco ball-like apparatus may not be similar to actual disco ball.
The disco ball-like apparatus connects seamlessly with the multi-purpose mounting piece on the front end of your magic screwdriver. After you connect it, hit the on switch on the magic screwdriver. The multi-purpose mounting piece should begin spinning rapidly. A small light bulb in the disco ball-like apparatus will begin to shine. The magic screwdriver just crossed the line from functional to aesthetic. It works even better if you use the Gizmetric Industries magic screwdriver sealing mount, patent pending. Simply peel the paper off the sticky portion of the Gizmetric Industries magic screwdriver sticky sealing mount, patent pending.
Avoid touching the sticky side of sticky sealing mount may cause chemical burns.
Then place the Gizmetric Industries magic screwdriver sticky sealing mount, patent pending, firmly on any hard surface. Then, magic screwdriver with the disco ball attachment connected to the multi-purpose mounting piece on the mounting bar of the Gizmetric Industries magic screwdriver sticky sealing mount, patent pending.
You brought it
The magic screwdriver should already be turned on, and the multi-purpose piece should be spinning rapidly. This instantly livens up any boring old room.
Wow, Dylan! With all these features, I can't imagine how I cannot afford to buy the magic screwdriver. Copyright and patent pending property of GamerX Industries.
You bet, Abby! Remember to receive the magic screwdriver, the Phillips head screwdriver attachment, the feather duster attachment, the whisk attachment, scrabble attachment, and bonus disco ball attachment for the low price of $19.95. Call the number on your screen now.
That's a value of between $60 and $99 US for only $19.95. Call today!